clothes I haven't put away. Okay, so I need to get dressed, and this is the hardest part of my day, so let's figure out what I'm gonna wear. It's gonna be sunny with a high of 75, and if you know the song reference, comment down below because you're a real one. And if you don't, it's now sunny with a high of 75 since you took my heavy heart and made it fly. Should I bring you into my closet? This is what I'm working with. Actually, pause. All right, welcome to my closet. The lighting got weird. Jones, we're getting dressed. Okay, so my closet is like this. And here are all my dresses. Well, this isn't a dress. And today's gonna be 75. Maybe I should probably just wear this. This is such an easy dress to wear. Should I wear this gingham blue dress? Okay, so things to keep in mind. I don't have any self-tanner on. And I also have a ginormous bruise on my shin that I don't know where I got it from. It's typical me, I'm always hitting my shins. Hit my shins on shirt. This isn't organized, but they're shirts and they don't go in the dress section. And this is a jumpsuit. How do you organize your closet? Really want to get better at wearing my clothes, especially since I've lost weight. I'm like, oh my God, I get to like, it's like a whole new wardrobe again. I couldn't fit into a majority of these for literally like 3-4 years. Cause right when I got pregnant, like stuff started, my boobs got big quick and stuff started not fitting fast. Okay. What do I have? Saw your face in mine, and I picture by our bedside. I have this dress. It's pretty. It's actually like really pretty. I should wear this. Should I do a video of like trying on all my clothes or like all my dresses? Because I love watching that stuff. That's the thing too. It's like, oh, maybe a little door action. I've seen people are like, oh, and if you like want to make content, and it's not like making content specifically, I like, it's a creative outlet for me, especially like being a stay-at-home mom now. But I really wish I had started doing this more like in lockdown when I had like real serious time to myself. But you have to start somewhere, so just start. I like watching thrifting vlogs or people, you know, I'm gonna go through my closet and try everything on and get rid of stuff. I love watching those. I like weekly vlogs. I love what I eat in a day. So yeah, that's like kind of just what I want to do. Okay, let's get dressed. Get out of the way, I think. This is delicious. All right, so you might not know this, but I'm gonna tell you right now. It's a couple weeks since I filmed that, all of that. The whole concept of this video was like, I wanted to do a week in my life vlog. I love watching those. But I quickly realized that my computer isn't strong enough to edit in real time. And also I don't think I'm an advanced editor. I don't think I'm advanced at editing. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm still learning how to edit. I had this whole plan for, I'm like, oh, I want to make a week in my life video. When I realized, okay, my computer's not fast enough. All right, maybe it might be a week late. But I had a pretty busy week planned, and then it turned almost everything. All my plans fell apart that week. I was supposed to go to Pilates with my friend, and then we were gonna get dinner afterwards, and then that didn't end up happening. And then the next day I was supposed to go to ballet. There was a scheduling conflict with the studio and my schedule, so that didn't happen. And I'm like, okay, whatever, I'll just film all that next week. And I did go to Pilates, and it rained, and technically it's not Pilates, it's Legree. Then I woke up Wednesday when I was about to go to ballet, and I'm like, I do not feel good. I just kind of like wanted to take it easy, and I ended up getting sick. Yeah, that Sunday when I started my vlog, I went to a baptism, and there was a woman there who was just like coughing up a lung. And then, so I don't know if I got sick from her or what, a link in preschool, but I got sick. I caught up on Hacks. I hadn't seen season 3, so I watched season 3. Now I'm all the way caught up.
Over there, sister. I made sure it's 5 Sprinkles cupcakes because it smells so good. Vanilla. You got me an apartment at the mall. It's not a mall. It's an outdoor mall. It's the Americana. Listen, you
started kind of exploring. There's an Arroyo by my house. I haven't been there in a while, and did that a couple times. I think, yeah, I basically just kind of was like trying to rest as much as possible because I saw Beyonce later that week, and I'm like, okay, I was sick last week. I need to be healthy enough to see Beyonce. I like cannot miss this, because the last time she was here for Renaissance tour, I didn't go. I was actually sick, and there's a lot of stuff that happened during that time. Was in the hospital like a couple times that month, and I was just thinking like, oh my god, I remember how hard it was going to SoFi and seeing Taylor Swift. I don't think I can physically go see Beyonce if I'm like fresh out of the hospital. And so I found a ticket to see Beyonce at the Cowboy Carter tour for $100, and it was like a great seat. The only thing that was hard for me was I was right in front of a speaker, and the bass was so intense that it made me sick. You know, I already wasn't feeling that great. I get a lot of anxiety when I do things by myself, and I went to Beyonce by myself. I met up with my cousin and her friends, and that was really cool. I'm not like anti-scent, but for some reason when I don't feel good, and I also have like a smidge of a headache when I got there, and I was like trying to eat my like $17 fruit bowl so I can get some like substance in me. It just felt like everybody's perfumes were so intense, and I didn't even stay the whole concert. So I left right at the beginning, the Renaissance part, which is really fucking sad, but it was all I could handle. I did get like a smidge of Beyonce vlog footage. I'm going to put it in because I want you guys to see it, and this is how I'm going to end my vlog. It's not going to be like my montage part of the beginning. It's just going to be like raw sounds, raw footage of me going to Beyonce and getting ready for Beyonce and leaving Beyonce. Thanks for watching my video. Enjoy my Beyonce footage. All right. It's Bay Day. This is the hard part of getting ready alone. I don't have anybody to help me with my outfit. I'm not wearing these. I'm wearing cowboy boots. I can't get my hair any bigger. It's probably because I'm using like a loose, flexible. There we go.
Of course, yes. That's what I'm here for.